Hey guys, Alex here from Workshop 12. Allow me to introduce the beautiful 10-inch Toyota Corolla for your 2017 to 2018. This unit is a pretty cool unit. Comes with wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, plus it also comes with LTE, GPS, the whole 9 yards. Don't want to waste a lot of time today because we are outside. It is going to start thundering and raining, and I want to get this filmed for you guys. That being said, this unit also comes equipped with 8-core processors, so you get the performance you deserve when you shop with Workshop 12. That being said, let's take a look at what's in the box so you can get an idea of what to expect when you purchase the product. The first thing you're going to notice is obviously the beautiful Toyota Corolla screen. And the best part about the screen, by the way, guys, is that it is literally an OEM fit. It doesn't replace the climate knobs like our Tesla screens. These are the ultra wide screens that we like to call. That way it's just a nice and easy, clean setup for you guys. You're gonna notice besides the unit that you have a few wires. And as I always mention on all of our videos, don't panic. Don't worry, because when you shop with Workshop 12, you're not just buying quality, but you're buying a service with it, where you and I can go on a video call, or my team will be more than happy to assist you, where we can walk you guys through the whole entire process all in one. That being said, you're gonna notice that you have the main stereo harness. The stereo harness is going to come with a few different plugs. You're going to notice that this particular one here with the blue wire is for your FM AM antenna. Then you have your main stereo harness here for power and speaker wires. And then you have this other plug here. And then all the plugs are not gonna be needed. Depending on your variant of your Toyota Corolla. And if you have the JBL audio system, well, that requires a different harness. So when you're checking out, make sure that you guys are selecting your corresponding stereo that you have for your vehicle. That being said, you also have a SIM card tray for LTE data, so you can have onboard internet. And it also comes with external RCAs. So these audio RCA jacks are for audio output, meaning that you can actually connect a subwoofer right onto the unit. Just get yourself a Y splitter and you're gonna connect it to this one right here. And then you'll be able to connect your subwoofers. And then you also have an amp turn on wire as well. And then you also have the LTE antenna. Depending on the variant of your vehicle, as I mentioned, this cable is going to be for your reverse camera. This particular Toyota Corolla that we're installing it on does not have a reverse camera. And then you also have your USB ports. These USB ports are going to be used for any future software updates or for any data transfer. So if you have a USB with music or anything like that, you're more than welcome to transfer it over. And lastly, you also have your GPS antenna. You're also going to get packing tools. Yes, we do include packing tools on all of our units to make your life a little bit easier and less painful, because let's be honest, installing a stereo is easy, but a little bit tedious at times. That being said, the tools that you're going to be needing is going to be very simple. The packing tool that I just showed you and a 10mm socket with some sort of an extension or something to make your life a little bit easier. Let me show you guys where all the connections go. So this is the GPS one. The GPS one is going to be right here, guys, and everything is labeled. So please just read on here, GPS, don't connect it where the LTE one is. I mean, nothing's going to happen. It's just not going to work. So that is there. Then your main stereo harness, okay, it's going to connect right where the fuse is, right over here. I'm going to just connect it and has a satisfying click. There it is. Then you have your one of the USB ports. Okay, the USB port with the bigger plug is going to connect to the one with the bigger plug, and it is right over here. Then the RCAs with the SIM card tray is going to connect into the biggest one, which is right here at the bottom row, I guess, to the left. And then this one here for your reverse camera, if needed, is going to be connected right over here. So the beautiful part about this unit, guys, this is where it's going to connect right there, but we're not going to connect this one. We're not going to connect that one as this car doesn't come with a reverse camera. That being said, now let's jump into the car and finish off the install. Okay guys, we're going to make this extremely simple for you. Easy installation. All you need to do is literally pop off this area here. We're going to have to pop it off to just expose this area here a little bit so we can actually remove this whole entire trim. All you're going to do is grab the cup holders here first. You're going to pop this off. It's actually allied. You're not going to do the cup holders. You're going to first remove the trim here, guys, around the shifter knob, so you can have so you'll be able to continue with the rest. This just pops right off. Then you're going to grab the cup holders here. You're going to pop this off. It's going to separate between the shifter and the cup holders. Then you're going to grab your hands and you're going to just give it a little pull here. Once you've exposed that a little bit, that is all you need. The next part is very difficult. You're gonna grab your hands and you're just gonna grab one on here. Well, first start maybe from here and you're just gonna pop it right out, just like that. Then you're gonna pop this right out here and you're done, okay? Now, you're going to disconnect here your airbag light. It's gonna disconnect right here. There's always little tiny clips here, guys, where you're gonna just push and separate. Same thing with your hazard switch here. It's on the side here. Let me try to rotate this if I can for you guys. Right here, you're gonna grab this clip, push down, pop it out. Now you're gonna grab this and put it gently on here. The next step is you're gonna grab your 10mm socket and you're gonna remove 4 bolts. That's it. You got one inside here, another one down here, third one here, and the 4th one at the bottom here. Not sure if the camera can capture that, but you guys will be able to see it. One here, one there, and then there are 2 on the other side. So first, we're gonna go ahead and just start undoing this stuff. And then once you guys remove all of the 4 screws, you're gonna just gently pop this out, move it a little bit to the right side here, because you don't want these little things here to hit on the side there. And then this is the missing screw. We're gonna put that back in there. Okay, now at the back here, what are the connections we have? We have your stereo harness connections here, which you're gonna just grab the little clip here and you're gonna just clip it, push it down and gently pop it right out. So we have 1 plug, 2 plug, 3 plug, 4 plug, and then you're gonna remove this. Okay, now you're gonna set this to the side. The next thing is you're gonna grab our unit and you're gonna make all the connections. You have your stereo harness, your main plug over here, which is just going to plug in right in here. Boom, 1, 2. Then you have your FM plug here. I'm gonna plug that in. This little FM plug is going to connect right in here where you see the ant. We're gonna plug it right there. Then when it comes to the SIM card, I would recommend to simply grab the SIM card tray and run it to your glove box. So you can just literally, there's an easy hole right here where you're just gonna be able to push it in there, open up the glove box and fish it through, which I'll do that in a sec. And then the other USB port as well, we're going to fish in there. And then let's make the other connections. Then we have this plug here, which is going to fit to this one here. Boom, done. This one here stays disconnected. I'm just gonna leave that there. And then you have the other plug, which is gonna be this one that connects to this gray one. Okay, just make sure it's clipped nicely in there. And then this one is where it's gonna connect down here. So, boom, that one there, okay? Then guys, we are practically done. Now, what we'll do is we're gonna just mount the SIM card and GPS antenna, sorry, the LTE antenna and GPS antenna, we're just gonna mount it literally, we're just gonna leave it back there actually. I'm not gonna even fold it, I'm just gonna fold it right back, because in reality, it's going to get enough signal being back there, equivalent to your cell phone being in the pocket in a vehicle. So we are just going to put this little cable tie back. That way we keep it nice and organized. And then to put the unit on the trim, very easy. All you need to do is hold it the right way up. You're gonna start with the bottom here. You're gonna just bang, bang. Satisfying click, done. This isn't going anywhere now, okay? And then that's it, guys. You're gonna literally just tuck everything back there. I'm gonna go out and take my time on putting the SIM card tray and USB back there. So give me 1 second. And then reconnect your airbag module light and your hazard light. And then now, bing, bada boom. Now we're just gonna snap anything and slap everything back in its place. And then make sure that everything is nicely organized. Everything's perfectly centered here. And we're gonna put this back. And with this one here, because these little clips come out, you're gonna wanna make sure you put these in first. And bing, bada boom. Now, let's see if Alex knows what he's doing and see if it works. Let's get the keys. All right, guys, give me a second. Let me grab the key. Now we got the keys. Let's plug this in. Let's turn it on. And there we go. We have the unit all functioning here, and you'll notice that our Android Auto, wireless Android Auto, which I already previously paired just via Bluetooth. And then once that has been done, you will notice that it takes about like 25 to 30 seconds for it to easily just connect wirelessly. And there you have it. You have your full-blown GPS, you have your music, you can access all of your apps on here, so it can be nice and easy. And then if you want to jam out to your music, there it is. We'll take that away. No copyright laws. Jay-Z is going to sue the crap out of me, so let's not do that. And there you guys have it. The beautiful Workshop 12 ultra widescreen for your Toyota Corolla. It comes equipped with the wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, as you can see, and it just works beautifully. That being said, guys, if you have any questions or you would like me to get in details with the software or anything like that, guys, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here at your service. We appreciate you guys. Alex is out. Peace.